Hello everyone, Spaniard here. I want to ask you a question. Imagine that you're driving down the motorway, it's foggy, and there's been a pile-up a mile or so ahead of you. You can't see this because it's deep, thick fog. You're hurtling along at 70 miles an hour, possibly even faster. Would you want someone to warn you that there's been a pile-up? Would you want someone to prevent you from crashing in to that pile-up? Imagine that you're on a mountain pass. You're driving along. There's a big bridge that crosses a ravine, but the bridge has been weakened and is about to collapse. Would you want someone to warn you that that bridge has been weakened? Would you want someone to warn you and prevent you from potentially crashing to your death? Alternatively, imagine the scene. I'm walking down the street and I see a fire in the first floor of a house. In the front downstairs window, there's a whole family enjoying themselves, completely oblivious to the fact that upstairs is on fire. If that was your home, would you want me to knock on the door and warn you that there is a fire above your heads, that you are at risk, that your home is at risk, that maybe your lives are at risk? Would you want me to warn you about that? Now picture this scene. You've recently woken up. You realize that what banks are doing isn't necessarily 100% honest or transparent. You're looking around the internet and you see various people who are telling you that you can do this or you can do that, and you just get this template, you get that template. It's not a problem. It flies easily. Or alternatively, they're selling you services. Yeah, you can wipe your mortgage off. Yeah, you can do this. Yeah, you can do that. But I know that they're talking bollocks. I know that they can't do what they say they can do. I know that they're actually leading people into trouble. Would you want me to warn you? You see, as at today, I've been into this kind of stuff for about 18 years. I've been researching it. I've been investigating it. I've been seeing what does work, what doesn't work, what has credibility, what has no credibility. Should I warn you? That is the question. Should I warn you? You see, there are people out there that have asked me to put warnings out. Please warn other people. You are someone that has a reputation in this field. You are trusted and people will listen to you. And then there's a very, very, very small percentile of people who don't like it. They don't like me warning others. And these people who don't like it tend to be either the parties I'm calling out or associates of those parties. Funny that, isn't it? It's funny how those who are profiting from the bullshit don't want me to warn others about the bullshit. Really funny that. The problem with a lot of people out there is that once you realize you've been lied to over here, you get into some kind of presumptive state of mind, and you presume wrongly that everybody over here is telling the truth and being 100% sincere. And that's not the case. Unfortunately, it's not the case. I've discovered that to my detriment. I think a lot of other people have discovered that to their detriment. Just because people are over here doesn't mean they are honest. It doesn't mean that they are sincere. It doesn't mean that they have integrity. It doesn't mean that they are coming from the right place. The only way you can protect yourself is to conduct due diligence. In other words, if somebody over here is making a claim that they can do X, Y, Z, that they can write off a mortgage, that they can fly to the moon, whatever it is, demand that proof. You want evidential, documentary proof of their claims. And when I say that, I don't mean, right, as I've seen from one or two parties, that they produce the form that they filled out to allegedly get the result. That's not proof of a result. Filling a form out is just proof that they filled a form out. Who knows what happened after that form was filled out? Who even knows if they submitted the form, right? Documentary proof requires a letter from the bank or the government department or the court to state XYZ happened. And even that could be forged. And I am aware of people out there who are forging documents in order to pass off success rates. I'm aware of it. Let me ask you the question. Do you want me to warn you about those people? Or would you rather hand your money to those people and lose it?
Thank you for hearing me. 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 Thank you for loving 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 me. Thank you for seeing 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 me. And for not leaving 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 me. Thank you for staying with 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 me. Thanks for silence with me. Thanks for